Welcome to JH. Today we are reviewing the voice mode beta for Mac. The first thing you will see in this version is a Welcome to Voice Mode banner at the top. Below that, in the content creation section, you can select various voices. For example, I can pick this specific voice, and as you can hear, it changes my audio immediately. I can also activate the magic chords effect. I will turn it off for now, but the main point is that you are currently in the Discover tab. This area functions much like a social media feed where you can explore different voices, sounds, curated collections, learning materials, and social links. There is a search bar available where you can look up any specific effect you need. Next, you have your favorites. As you can see, I have a clean setting active which provides my current enhanced voice. You can add any sound or effect to this list by simply tapping the star icon. The collection section shows everything voice mode currently offers for Mac users in beta. You can scroll through these, but keep in mind that many are restricted by a paywall, meaning a subscription is required to unlock them. Further down, you will find custom collections. You can manage 2 of these, rename them as you like, and even upload your own audio files by clicking the Upload button and selecting your sounds. In the Settings menu, the options are currently basic. You can choose your microphone and headphones, decide if the app should launch on startup, and set your default voice. Your profile also includes an option to log out. At the bottom of the interface, you can adjust the specific settings for your active voice effect. There are also buttons to toggle the voice changer on or off and a feature to monitor your own voice. That is the general overview. While it may not be the most advanced tool yet, it functions very well. It is quite impressive how stable this beta is, and I actually used the voice changer for this entire tutorial to demonstrate the different effects you can achieve. It is very straightforward to use. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides like this one. See you in the next video.